the original Disney, which is now bigger and better than it's ever been before.
But what if you want to get out of that Disney bubble for a few days and explore a bit like a local? We've got some great ideas where you can travel around Anaheim without a mouse in sight. We all think of Disneyland being in Los Angeles, but actually it's in the city of Anaheim, which is part of Orange County. It's only 30 minutes from Hollywood and classed as within the greater LA area, so everyone is kind of right. It means that you could easily stay in Los Angeles or San Diego and do day trips to Disney. That's what we've always done. But I know lots of you like to move hotels to make sure you're nice and close to Walt's original park. It's a great idea if you're there for more than one day, and if you've got little ones who are staying up late for the fireworks. If you've made the effort to get to the west coast of the USA, it's definitely worth checking out more of what the Golden State has to offer. You may have seen some great sights in LA, but being in Anaheim doesn't mean you should only eat, breathe and sleep Mickey and Friends. Let us show you a few ideas to experience the city like a Californian. Let's start with a retail experience that's a world away from downtown Disney. The Maker's Hive market is where local designers and boutiques showcase their talents.
Everything is made out of coffee. Coffee hot sauce, coffee jelly, coffee syrup. It's my dream shop.
Here at Farmers Park, you'll find everything from crafts to clothes. It's not on every weekend, so make sure you check ahead. But there are loads of other events taking place here, from yoga to live music. Don't worry too much if there isn't anything on, because next door is the Packing District, one of the coolest places you can go for food in Anaheim. This is the old Sunkist facility, which is over 100 years old. All of the best local restaurants have come together under one roof.
Now if you're on a Disneyland kind of holiday, you're probably going to be stuck in a Disneyland kind of zone and not really thinking about a bit of culture and trying to experience that. Of course you want the American culture, but do you want some Californian culture? Well, coming here you can try all the different foods, and food is a very big thing for Californians. This is where the locals go. You're getting a real taste of what Anaheim and California and LA are all about. They love great food, and here you can find anything you want.
Here you'll find Instagrammable street food like gourmet grilled cheese, artisan donuts, French pastries, and even a speakeasy cocktail carriage.
The other great thing about eating here is that it's perfect if everyone's craving something different.
Jude went for mac and cheese. Sammy got sushi. Ali got a magic anti-gravity noodle bowl. And me and Dylan went for burgers.
So this is from The Croft, which is a famous burger restaurant in Orange County. It's a double Wagyu beef burger with pulled pork on top. So many flavours in my mouth right now.
If you're looking to experience a more traditional Californian farmers market, there is one in downtown every Thursday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And on the last Friday of the month, there's a night market from 5 until 9. There are some amazing places to get fresh local food here in downtown outside of those times. Here on Center Street Promenade, we were tipped off about Lazy Bird's special bowls. Also, check out Okayama Kobo Bakery, which only uses Japanese flour and doesn't contain one additive or preservative. They also make these really cute custard-filled emoji buns. Perfect with a coffee in the sunshine. While you're downtown, head to Museo. It's the city's cultural centre and has a gallery space and museum. Plan better than us though. It's only open Wednesday to Sunday, and we missed out. It wasn't our fault though that we weren't able to go to our next suggestion.
Now, if you're looking for a true cultural experience here in the States, you can't get more American than baseball. And Anaheim is home to the Angels, which means you get to see an MLB game live here. If they're playing when you're here. They're not here at the moment, annoyingly, when we're out here, so we can't get the experience. But why not come along, experience the ball game, the hot dogs, the sights and smells of baseball. If you're here when there's no game like us this week, then you can pop along and you can do a tour here if you want to. The prices aren't too bad. Or there's always the club shop, because there's merch and caps and things that you can't get back in England or in other places in the world. So, still a chance to come down here.
One free activity is to hang out by your pool. We stayed at the Cambria Hotel, which only opened in 2020. We loved the Mickey Mouse pancakes for breakfast, and the fact it's only under a mile from Disney, so you can easily walk to the parks. Our favourite part though was this. If you're looking for something to do at any time of the day, head to Garden Walk. It has a very similar feel to downtown Disney with its lively restaurants and shops. Here you can watch some music, go to a movie, or book tickets for a night of live entertainment. Kip Barry's Cabaret starts off with some intimate tricks in the coffee shop. Before moving through to the main stage area and dinner if you've booked it. The family will be mesmerised by fire eaters and even a sword swallower. Then Kip Barry himself comes on to do his famous magic show. This was the kids' first real experience of live magic, so they loved it. Hopefully this video gives you some ideas of what you can do on your Disney days off. If you're looking to explore LA or more of California, we've got you covered. See you in the next one.